Hi everyone, my name is Axel Sirota. Welcome to my course, Getting Started with Travis CI. I am a machine learning engineer at ASAP, ML fanatic, obsessed with CI/CD, and I am very excited to present this to you. Bugs exist, this is a fact. However, in today's world, not maintaining the high bar in quality is just not acceptable, while also having to deliver features faster than ever. Here is where Travis CI saves the day. This super simple CI server can help you build and deliver quality software in a reliable way. Our journey begins at the basics of CI/CD, and we will revisit the main options to choose a CI server. Next, we will learn how to configure our first build in Travis CI. Only to go a deep dive into the build matrix, the main feature of Travis CI to parallelize and organize work. Finally, you will explore how to deploy effortlessly within Travis CI. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of CI/CD needed to deliver features faster and more secure than you ever imagined. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to add CI/CD to your projects with the Getting Started with Travis CI course at Pluralsight.